Come in.
Hey, bestie girl, what's going on? You went at work today. Are you okay? How you feeling?
Girl, I just been so tired. That's why I didn't go to work today. I needed to rest.
Oh, rest is an understatement. But oh my God, bestie, do you know what this magazine is you got?
No.
Oh my God, this is Andre'ic Morris Super Plaids.
Okay, and?
It is a magazine with superheroes wearing plaid suits, teaching you from right from wrong and not to do violence. And most importantly, girl, it helped me and my kids a lot. It's a magazine that is Christ's first ABC edition, and it also teaches you Christ's name in alphabetical order.
Wow, friend, I didn't know how to magazine like that. Where can I get more copies to give to some of my family members for their kids?
To get your copies, you can call Andre'ic Brand at LLC at 309-839-4600 or 309-251-0552. You can also email them at info@AndreicBrandLLC.com. Hurry up and get your orders. They're going fast.
Get your exclusive pre-order deal right now for only $7. After July 31st, prices goes to $10 per magazine. Secure your order now before it's too late.